Now I'm show you how you remove this dark here by using Photoshop. And for this work I use brush tools called spot healing brush tools. So now I select here. You can increase your brush size by clicking this down arrow key here, and you can control this size, hardness, and for my work I select this size and hardness, and also I can control it by when I use these tools. And you also control this image by press alter and scroll your mouse, zoom in and for zoom out, so you can easily control this image here. And now I select this whole area of this dark, so drag here and cover all the area of this dark this way. And now see, this object is removed here and something is not properly removed. So now after that you just click here and is, let's see, is removed. Now I use this tool for remove this one. So select this dark the same way and cover all the area. Now see, now click this area and just match this. Now this way you can use these tools and make your work faster, and you can easily remove any object, any logo or anything. After finishing this work you go to file and then here and click save as for JPG format, and this way you can remove any object quickly. And if this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel.